So hello everyone. Once we will again discuss today the one of the profound mathematical structure of the Quran and how it is precisely measured by the God. As if it is a human, it is impossible to do. We will discuss about that how if we can try to do that numbers, is it possible to do it or not? As these are the Wikipedia page, and this is the list of the chapter in the Quran. The total there are 114 chapters. So we will confirm from the Wikipedia page that there are total 114 chapters. So you can even go with the chapters, and each chapter having the different verses. So the number comes here 114. So total chapters in the Quran 114, and the last chapter has the 6th verse. So in the verse like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, likewise there are the verses, and in that verses the stories, the message and guidance. It is described about the many other rules and regulations and the better way to protect ourselves. So way of the life we can learn from these verses, and the chapter means the meaning of the what are the major description about that the name in the chapter we can search, and these are the particular individual name of that chapters. So we will look the numbers 114. So why it is so important and how it is impossible to create such a numbers. So we'll see here that actually the 114 is a numbers which can divide by 19 precisely. 6 into 19 equal 114. So, and before going to this profound mathematical structure, we will study that Wahid is the Arabic word and the meaning is one. And if you see the other abjad value of each and every individual letter, as 1400 years before there were no numbers, as the people were using the letters as a numbers, as the number was not discovered. Once the number was discovered, this system became absolute. So these are the 6, 1, 8, 4 are the values of these 4 letters, and it comes 19. So 19 is a prime number, and so God says mathematically that I am the one who created the Quran, and I am the one who created each and every individuals in the world and universe, and we should worship only the one God. That is the behind the message, the explanation. So the 6 into 19 precisely it is divided by 19, and 619 is the one numbers which is the prime number, and the position of that number is again 114. So this type of the combination, it is impossible to create it. How it is impossible, we will check it here in the program. So this is a prime number program. So I will type here 620 around 1000 number. So it will find all the prime numbers before the 1000 number and with respective index value. So here we can see 2 is the prime number, the position is 1, 3 is the prime number, position is 2. Likewise 1967 is the prime number, position is 19. 19 is a prime number, position is 8. So sequentially if we go, then here we can see that the 619, yes, 619, the position is 114 precisely. So 114 equal to 6 into 19, and 19 is a Y, is a Wahid 1, and is a prime number. So the combination comes 619. Again it is a prime number, and the position is 114. And we are challenging you that if you can find such a number out of the 100 and millions of numbers, but you cannot even find, you can make a program as we already did. We have already tried to make a lot of program to find such a number, but we have not even succeeded, and we cannot even go to the near to find the nearest number which are coming with this type of the combination. I will give the just one example. As I will take as a number is 117, which is equal to just a moment, it is divided by 13. So we can say it is equal to 9 into 13 equal to 117. So we can say the 913 is a prime number, suppose, but here we can see the 913 is not a prime number, it is again divisible. So this combination does not work. So we can find another combination where the multiplication and that number, we can either take it 139 also, And we can see that 139 is even prime number or not. Yes, 139 is a prime number. So before we take as a 913, which is not prime number, but yes, we can take as a 139 is a prime number, and the position is 34. We can see here precisely the position is 34, but it does not match with the initial 117. But here what happening? 114 equal to 6 into 19. 619 is a prime number, and position we can see precisely 114. So you can find, and you can check another combination if you can even find, or you can even check a nearest number also. But you cannot succeed, we are 100% sure, because it's a God design, and He created and He knew the numbers, because He created the universe and all the space and time and millions of humans and all the complex structures. If He can create, then obviously He can create His Quran. If He is a God, if He says Himself, and if He claimed that it is His scripture, then obviously it has to match with that type of the accuracy and that type of the precision. So that's the only the reason. We can even check many other letters and numbers, how it is combining and how it is matching with that or not. But obviously if it is a God scripture, then it has to match with a lot of compound and complex structure. And we can see this is the one simple example. It's a very easy to understand, but impossible to create. That's the beauty of the God, and it's a design. We knew that if we make some design and it's a very simple design, and it's then if we put it into the market, so many it's easy to copy, like and so many people will try to copy your product, and if it's not a complex and easy to copy, and it's easy to imitate. But here you can see the design is very simple, it's very easy to understand, but it's impossible to copy or impossible to imitate. And if you even try, you cannot even succeed. That's the beauty of the design, that it's very easy to understand, but impossible to copy or impossible to imitate. So that's we are trying to convey the message. If it's a God design, it should not be done by any humans or either any supercomputer or either any of our imagination can reach to that level. So hope it give you the idea about that, and you can even try, and if you can put even the comment if you find any such a number, and we are happy to take it more, as if you can even find, and you can write down your comment also. And you can subscribe the channel to get more such a videos where we will describe more about the mathematical structure of the Quran, God willing.